Okay, everyone. I just woke up. Last night when we went to bed, it was a beautiful, sunny day. Look at this. We had a winter storm warning, but we didn't think it was going to be this bad. Look at the snow that's fallen overnight. You can see on the balcony there, the mount. And look at the trees. It is crazy. I mean, visibility, I'm going to try and point it over by the road there. So you can imagine if you were traveling on the highway somewhere, like this is a true Alberta blizzard in the making. Whoa. And I'm getting really wet and cold. It's actually not that terribly cold out, and that's what makes for these kind of storms. It's the combination of almost raining, almost snowing, and yeah, this is what it happens. So, hope you're warm in your neck of the woods. It's April 5th, 2012.